Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to be sharing with you guys the new Sigma skincare brushes. I got these in the mail from Sigma, so thank you so much for sending them my way. And I want to go ahead and do a video with you guys showcasing these brushes as well as showcasing the skincare products that I've been using recently. I was so excited to try this. Normally when you think of skincare you don't think of using a brush. You just kind of use it with your hands or whatever. And I'll be totally honest that when I saw that they came out with skincare brushes, I'm like, really? Like, who needs a skincare brush when you can use your hands? But I'm not saying this just to say this. Just from using these just now, I am so totally obsessed. I'm obsessed with this one. I'm obsessed with this one. I'm obsessed with the moisturizer one, the eye cream. I mean, honestly, all of them. I didn't use one, which you guys will see, but I love these brushes. It makes your skincare go on so nice and evenly and really nice and smooth. So it's not harsh, like you're just, you know, kind of moving your skin around and everything like that. It just makes skincare application so much nicer and more luxurious also. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys each step, each brush that I use, each skincare product that I use, so you guys can go ahead and see what I love. I'll also link down below for you guys where you can go ahead and pick up these brushes, and make sure if you buy from Sigma, use code Ashley at checkout and you'll get money off of your purchase. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into skincare. So as I said, this is the Sigma skincare brush kit. It comes with 6 brushes, 2 that have a silicone base to them, or paddle I should say, and then 4 that are the regular Sigma brushes. These are so luxurious, 6 luxurious brushes for your luxury skincare items. So first we're going to go ahead and use the SO1, which is the clay mud mask. It's a flexible silicone end, and it makes it so easy to apply mud masks and clay masks. So for today, I decided to use my Indian Healing Clay Mask. What you do is you use the powder in the kit, you mix a little bit of water and apple cider vinegar, and then you apply it to the face. The reason why I love this brush is because, one, it makes it so easy to apply, and it makes it so easy to get out the mud mask. Usually I use a Sigma foundation brush, and the problem with that is that, you know, it's thin so it can get out the product, but being that it's regular bristles, the clay mask always gets all into the brushes, and of course I'm not going to use the brush for regular makeup. So I love this because it does have the silicone base, so it's very, very easy to wash. The clay mask literally just comes right off. It's not a struggle to get anything out of the bristles. Leave it on for 12 minutes. You want to go ahead and wash it off, and I love this brush. Next, we're going to go ahead and use the second brush. I hurt my finger just there. And this is the serum brush. So this is the S10 serum brush by Sigma. I love this because it's very, very soft, but it also is there's not many bristles, so it really just applies your serums really nicely. So I do mix 2. I use the Tula Illuminating Serum, and then I also use my Rensa Repairing Serum. I mix those 2 together, put it on the back of my hand, make a little bit of like a serum cocktail, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over the face. Normally, I would just mix it all up and throw it on with my hands, but using the brush, like I said, not only is it very gentle, as you can see, there's no really any kind of pulling on my skin, which of course is really good for your skin because you don't want to pull and tug your skin because that will cause wrinkles later on. So I love this because it's really nice, it's easy, it's gentle, and it's really relaxing. Next, we're going to go and do eye cream. So this is the S20 eye cream brush. This is one of probably my favorites in the kit just because it makes applying your eye cream so easy. Today I'm using the Tula Revitalizing Eye Cream. It's just such a simple brush, and I don't know what it is, but I feel like it's just so much easier and better to apply my eye cream using this brush. I don't know what it is. I don't even really know how to describe it, but this is one of my favorite brushes in the kit, and I just really love that you can get into those corners and get into everything and get that eye cream down. Next, we're going to go ahead and do moisturizer on the face. I'm using the SO5 moisturizer brush, and I actually mix 3 moisturizers for today. I kind of go back and forth. First, I'm going to go ahead and do a little squeeze of the Neutrogena. This is an acne blemish control lotion, so I'm going to go ahead and put that down. Next, I'm actually going to go in with the spatula, which is the SO2, to kind of dig out some of the moisturizer that I would like to use. Next, I'm using my Rensa Overnight Night Cream, and then I'm going to use a little bit of the Tula Hydrating Day and Night Cream. So I go ahead and mix those 2 together. The spatula is really easy because I have so many skincare products where I'm down to the bottom, and you really kind of want to get every product out that you can, so that is really, really such a good idea.
We're going to go in with the moisturizer brush, and it's at an angle so it really gets into all those crevices, and it really just applies your moisturizer so evenly and so nice. I absolutely love this brush, and I love just how gentle and soft everything goes on the skin. You also want to make sure that, of course, when you're applying moisturizing products, you want to go ahead and blend it down the neck. You don't want to forget about your neck. Make sure you always moisturize your neck when you're moisturizing your face. And the only brush that we didn't use today was this one. This is a gel mask brush. This is the S15. It allows you to apply really nice gel masks to the skin really easily. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely pick up this kit if you haven't already. You will not regret it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.